guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I am going to be sealing this beautiful 16-inch round painting with resin. And I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. This was just released, so link will be in the description. Be the first to get it, it's awesome. And in it, I've actually put just a smidge of the Stone Coat Countertops Gold Dust, which I think will just really make these colors pop. And I put really just the tiniest amount. So I wanted to just really show you guys how easy it is to seal a piece with resin and how it just makes the colors beautiful. So first of all, this resin is mixed equal parts A and B. So I already mixed it all up before the video. I'm just pouring it on here. I'm gonna go ahead and torch to start removing some of the air bubbles. It is cold in the room I'm in, so the air bubbles are gonna need a little more work to remove, but no biggie. And I start out by pouring it right in the middle, which I always do, and then I'm gonna just mix it as I push it out. Do not push right towards any one edge. Push it out fairly evenly. If you want, you can use like a silicone spatula or something like that for this. I usually just use my gloves so that I have less tools to clean. You can see that gold dust just sparkling in there. It's so pretty. And now that it's out to the edge here, I'm gonna start kind of pushing it over. And I'm in a room with a sunlight and the sun just came out. So it might have gotten brighter all of a sudden. Okay, we're pretty much to the edge here. I still need to get the edges covered, but I'm gonna go ahead and just heat it up again with my torch, and that'll just help make it nice and fluid. If you don't have a torch, you can use a heat gun. I do not recommend using a hair dryer. That is not the same. It doesn't get hot enough and it will not do what you need. So use something, either a heat gun or a torch. This is just a little culinary torch, which you can get on Amazon. I'll make sure the link to that is in the description. And these canvases, I'm so excited. They're just an amazing product. Fredericks is the brand. And just check down in the description for all the links to the materials. I'll also post the video where I originally did this painting. So I'm just gonna speed up the rest of this just to get this covered because I'm just pushing it over now with my hands. All right, I've got the entire thing covered. I'm gonna go ahead and just torch it again. You can really torch it as you go or at the very end. I find doing it as you go is the easiest. Make sure you get all your sides. And it's that simple. Now, if you're in a cold environment, it may be a little more difficult to pop the air bubbles. If that's the case, just let it sit for a little bit. The air bubbles will rise and then you can just torch it one more time. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so I really hope you guys can see through the camera how that resin just makes this pop. And I love the little added sparkle of that gold dust. This resin dries crystal clear. It's got UV protection, heat resistance, 0 VOCs. So it's a really good product. If you haven't ordered yours yet, go ahead. And there you go. Very simple to seal your piece with resin. All right guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please check down in the description for all of the materials. I hope you guys loved the look of this resin because that's what you voted for on the original video. And I'll see you all next time.